Hello guys, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In today's video, we are discussing a very common question. When we write a script, we often have to check whether it is a weekday or a weekend. And for that, we have a very simple script. Let me show you right away. Okay, I hope it is visible to you. So we have this glide date time object. In the first line, we are just fetching the current date and time. If you want, you can pass some parameter here. So in that case, the date will be hard-coded. And in the third line, we are using this function, get day of the week local time. So it will pick up the current local time. Okay, the local time which you have in your ServiceNow profile. Okay, so you see here, let me go to profile. Right now the time zone is this. Okay, so it will pick up based on that. It's not about your system, it's about your ServiceNow system. Then it will return some day value. Okay, so let me show you. So these all are the values which will be returned. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because in a day we have a 7 days. Okay, so the same value will be returned by using this function. And once you have that value, you can easily compare it and see whether it's a weekday or weekend. Okay, so let me test this. I'll just click on run script. So you see this is current date and time based on my time zone, and as it is 25, it is a weekday, because you see here 25 is a Monday and it's a weekday. Let me try one more thing. Let's paste some hard-coded value here. This is a 24 date. Okay, let's see what it will return. It will return the same date because we have hard-coded, but it is a weekend. Okay, so in case you want to know weekend or weekday, you can use this script directly. You just need to remove this because this is hard coded. Now it is ready. I hope you like the session. Subscribe to the channel, coming up with more such videos. Bye bye.